Replace and assemble the bead carving tool. Loosen the 3-jaw chuck using the screw rod. Remove the bead carving tool that needs to be replaced. Loosen with a hex key. Remove the original blade and drill core. Align the groove on the Buddhist bead knife drill core with the notch on the Buddhist bead knife blade and click them together. Insert the drill core and blade into the handle. Then slip on the locking knife head and secure it with a set screw M6*6. Note that there are 2 set screws that should align with the flat surface on the locking knife head. To install the Buddhist bead knife, install the bead carving tool. Insert the tool handle into the 3-jaw chuck. After loosening the 3-jaw chuck with the locking rod during replacement, now tighten the tool handle by rotating it. After installation, tighten the 3-jaw chuck. After tightening, check if the Buddhist bead knife is loose. Turn on the machine and rotate the spindle tool. Check if the Buddhist bead knife is installed.